Hello everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share you one of the interesting topic, that is it true that product-based companies pays 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs and 50 lakhs to the freshers from top NIT or IIT colleges in India? Is this true or not? So many students or employees, even software employees, may get doubt. Really they are paying product based companies like Microsoft, Google, eBay, Flipkart, really paying this much amount to the freshers? So I will clear your doubt within a few minutes. The answer is that's true. Microsoft pays 45 lakhs per annum to the freshers from NIT or IIT. So please take your calculator and check that 45 lakhs divided by 12 months. Then how much per month? 3.75 lakhs per month. So 3.75 lakhs per month is true according to the calculation. But in real, how much they getting salary by hand? So after deductions like PF, tax, etc., they will only 80 to 90k per month only. And some of the people get less than 90,000 also. Okay, so I hope you really shocked this one, but this is real. Now we will go with a reality check. The total of 45 lakhs per annum is divided like this. You just see here, this is the base salary. So base salary 12 lakhs or 13 lakhs in the product based companies like Microsoft, and yearly bonus 1,30,000, and they will also give you joining bonus. But joining bonus is a one-time payment, which is not included as a part of CTC. Okay, and stocks is 22 lakhs over 4 years. It is something we cannot include. This is a part of CTC. They are saying that you will get stocks worth 22 lakhs every year. That means you will get around 5 lakhs 50,000 per year. Okay, so you will immediately not get 22 lakhs in the same year. That 22 lakhs will be divided for 5 years. Okay, so for a year you will get 5 lakhs 50,000. So the actual CTC is close to 18 lakhs per annum, 18 to 19 lakhs, but not 45 lakhs. So not only Microsoft, but the majority of product based software companies like eBay, Google, Flipkart also use this tactic and boost their CTC 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs and 50 lakhs. So don't think if a person is from IIT or NIT getting a package of 40 above lakhs is rich. So in fact, they will not get 45 lakhs per annum. Okay. So whenever you see something like 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs package in the newspapers and media, so don't panic, don't get nerves. Do some hard work, follow your passion. You can also achieve that salary. I will give some real-time examples also. So one of my cousin who failed 10th class, he started his own business. Now he is earning around 1 lakh per month. Okay. So, and another life real-time example. So one of my other school friend, he studied BCom only. Now he is working as a marketing manager. Now he is earning around 90,000 per month. Okay. So don't be panic if you see 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs package they are earning from IIT top colleges. Right? Don't get nervous. Do some hard work, follow your passion, and you can also achieve that salary. Okay. So if you really like this video, so please share to your all your colleagues or employees or your friends. Okay, and so thank you for watching.